Ring around the slammer, don't outrun the hammer. Won't work, it all slams down.
Hey guys, I had no idea we'd be the only ones to survive the trash compactor. Isn't that cool?
It is cool. We should form an alliance called Taking Out the Trash. Let's do it.
Wait, AC, are you sure we should be doing this? They're not free smarters.
Why not? Free Smart isn't gonna last forever, and we should have other options if it dissolves.
You broke the Free Smart loyalty rule. You must pay. Apple, orange, banana.
It's time for cake at stake.
All but 3 of us are dead, Puffy. How are we gonna do that?
Let's take Lewis's second car to drive to Yoyo Land, where we can use the HPRC to recover everyone.
But Lewis owns that car.
Not for long. That was easy.
What's this stuff?
I miss my alliance.
Swim, 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 it's our only way out. Swim, 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 we'll be free, no doubt.
Whoa. What is happening? I am Revolulo, taking at incredible speeds. This isn't part of my swimming routine.
Why is this so hard to drink?
Whoa.
Yay! I'm so happy you're back, Pencil. What was it like when you were dead?
I don't remember.
Enough talking. We still need to recover Spongy and Fries and Nickel and Pin and Puck and Golfball and Pointy and Tennis Ball and Gelatin and Ice Cube. Let's go back. Everyone get in the trunk. Welcome to Lewis's trunk.
Sweet! Wow, Lewis's trunk looks so big from the inside.
Team No Name, you lost last time. First, let's see who got the most likes and the prize. It's Tennis Ball with a record-breaking 40,984.
Yay! Thanks, Tuberculites! Swap token? How does this work?
During the team switching phase, you can play this token to force one other contestant to swap to your team.
Fascinating!
Now, let's see who got the most dislikes and is going home.
I hope it's not you, Fries, because where would I get my killer snacks from?
Tennis Ball is safe with only 5,200 dislikes.
How wonderful!
This episode's cake is gasoline from Lewis's gas tank. Golf Ball is also safe with 11,000.
I'm not in the bottom 2. The viewers are starting to appreciate my team-building skills.
How much leading did you do in the last 2 episodes, huh?
Fries, you...
That's what I thought.
This means another food product will be going home.
Oh, my tater!
Oh, my animal bones, and skin, and cartilage, and tendons, and muscles, and ligaments, and...
Let's reveal the votes. Gelatin, you have been eliminated.
No! Can you keep the secret from the weird speaker box, though? He scares me.
Sure, whatever.
Hey, Jelly Boy! I appreciate you acknowledging my inventor skills, so as a memento, keep my laser pointer.
Thanks, TB. Now I have 2, and you can remember me with my old headphones. The volume up button seems to be missing, though, but I hope you still like it.
I do!
Hooray! Gelatin's back. Let's tie our legs together with Rockies.
That sounds so fun, Fireboy.
Fries, here's the last of the gasoline.
Why isn't the gas pedal working? I'm losing control.
Wait, Puffy, you
Coiny. Now our team is whole again. Or should I say, we'll ooze a hole again.
It's great to be back. Oh man, I'm still keeping this voice.
Yep.
Whoa, check out this swap token, golf ball.
It is immensely powerful. We can acquire any team member we want, whenever we want.
Agreed. With clever enough timing, we can sway the entire fate of the season with this thing.
Would you look at that, Ice Cube? We made it to the final 13.
Hooray!
Ice Cube, don't make that ugly face.
Oh my mint! Icy's face is looking so beautiful right now!
Coiny, what are you talking about? No way! She looks amazing!
We totally have to switch to her team!
You can't be serious.
Icy, I have no idea what's going on, but it's getting us new alternates, so keep it coming!
Beautiful face team! Here I come!
Me too.
Oh, I don't know if we should be doing this.
You know what I've said since the beginning. Pin, you should switch.
Fine.
I gotta switch!
No, tennis ball, that is disadvantageous. Free Smart is full of traitorous defectors. We cannot associate with them.
Come on, Golfy, you know you want to.
I absolutely do not.
Come on, Golfy, you know you want to. Yay!
Are you going to switch teams, Fries?
No.
Okay then, to the other 12 of you, what's your new team name?
We are the brethren who have united over our shared adoration of Icy's beautiful face.
Therefore, our team name is the Beautiful Face Devotion Institute.
You guys are weird. Anyway, spin the wheel to choose the next contest. In this challenge, you two teams will be making ice cream. There are hundreds of eager customers out there. Whoever sells their ice cream to the most customers wins. The other team will be up for elimination. How much time will we have? Well, how long can you serve ice cream? I suppose people only eat ice cream in the summer. Correct. So time's up when winter's first snowflake hits the ground. Go!
I have a lot of marketing ideas and I have a lot of...
Wait, we need to use Ice Cube to cool our ice cream down.
Whatever.
I'm gonna do a lot of cool things.
Squiggly smoggly.
Oh, man.
Quiet, everyone! Alright. I know many of us have not gotten along in the past, but fate has brought us together again. I am willing to compromise with you all, given that I get to be team leader. Here we go again. Coiny, Ruby, and Tennis Ball, you three will be in charge of making the ice cream. Pencil, Nickel, and Needle, you three will be in charge of marketing. Pen, Spongy, Book, and Pin, you three will man the ice cream stand. And we'll go to a Gelatin's abandoned steakhouse to set up shop. Do I notice a certain someone of a certain bozo brain complexion and a bossy bot demeanor who didn't get assigned a job? I don't want to get into this debate again. But wait, where's Bobby?
What do you want?
Get digging, Bonnie! The ingredients are probably underground.
Fries, that isn't going to work! I'm a more independent thinker now!
Get digging, Bonnie! The ingredients are probably underground.
Fries! We aren't even on the same team!
Get digging!
Did you hear the news, little bro?
No. What happened?
Gelatin got the boot! We don't have to hide in our home anymore.
Really? Awesome! I don't have to wear this stinky apron anymore.
Pineapple, we've made it. To celebrate us getting through Gelatin's tyrannical rule, have a token of our camaraderie.
Volume up button? Wait, did you steal this from...
Yep. What was his is now ours, my friend. And with all this fake caution tape I put up, we won't even be disturbed by customers.
Woohoo! We can party all we want!
We're here!
What?
Tear down the cousin tape, boys! Get your free ice cream here!
Holy citrus in a steakhouse! How is this happening?
Alright, Ruby and Coiny, Golfy ordered us to make the ice cream, and the ingredients are in here.
It's locked shut!
Use more force! Come on, Fuzzy Boy, help us
out! Wait, there's a passcode. Let me guess it. Darn. 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 Darn.
TB, this isn't working. Let me ask an old friend of mine. Hey, barbecue sauce, remember me?
No! We cannot allow more customers in this steakhouse! Especially not you!
Whoa! Chill your chunks, bro. This little guy gets a pass. He saved me from a surprise encounter with gelatin. So, Coinster, it's great to see you. What are you looking for?
I was wondering what...
Wait, why do you sound like that? Maybe Pineapple is right about you. Maybe you aren't who you say you are.
I was wondering what the pantry passcode is.
Oh, you're all good now. It's 21768.
Brought your ice cube bowl up here? Why?
I just wanted to keep an eye on it. Oh, my voice is back.
All right, Needle and American 5-cent denomination. We're doing marketing, so let's make this sign as flashy as possible.
Sure thing, but did you just call me American 5-cent denomination?
No, you're Nickel. Obviously Nickel. I have no idea why I said that. Why did I say that?
Who cares if you have two names because you're adopted, Nickel? Let's make some decorations.
Sure thing. Needle, I have a mission for you.
What is it?
You were the closest to Bommy last episode, and now he's missing. Go find him.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Pin. I know we had a bit of a quarrel in the past, but we gotta build this ice cream stand together.
Why would I do that when you and Ice Cube didn't even consider swinging with me?
We had an obligation to attend to. I promise I'll swing with you next time.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Come on, Pin. Our team is counting on us to build this thing.
I finished it!
Yay!
All right, let's find those ice cream ingredients. Well, it looks like we've got cane sugar, vanilla extract, ooh, a jug of milk.
No way! It's a tub of Gelatin's pre-baked ice cream. We can just sell this.
But it expired in August of 2012. That was like a year and a half ago.
You're right. Hey, where's tennis ball?
Ah, yes, here it is. What I've been looking for all this time.
No. Then who's down that hole? Mommy, where are you? Where are you helping the opposing team? We're part of the Beautiful Face Decoration Institute, so you better act like it!
Needle.
What, Fries?
Put him down.
No, I will not.
And...
yes?
Get... digging... needy.
Don't call me needy.
Open mouth, yeah, eat ice cream, yeah, so you can taste the sweetness, repeat after me.
Oh, awesome! Now make it a remix! Oh, make it a dubstep remix?
Yay! Open mouth, yeah.
Mix. We're done.
Give it to the front desk! Ooh, I want to buy some ice cream.
Sure thing. Let me hand it to you.
What are you doing?
This ice cream won't cost you an arm and a leg. Surely you can foot the bill.
Actually, I'm gonna go.
Aw, I'm not the best salesperson. Book and Spongy, maybe you two could do better?
I'll give it a try. Try our ice cream infused with literature to feed your brain.
I already ate the grapes of wrath a few years ago, and I wasn't a fan.
Can we have a bite?
Sure thing, but it looks like you guys need to split it 8 ways.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Tough crowd. Cooking crew, we need more ice cream.
On it!
Hey, Golfy, check this out.
Do not distract me from my team leading TV.
But I found some yoyolite for us to research.
No way! I can't believe my eyes! Yoyolite, the rarest material in the world, sitting right before me!
Yeah, and I built a microscope out of Gelatin's old headphones to examine it.
We must write as many academic papers on this crystalline structure as we can! Think of the prestige!
I'm so excited!
We're drowning in customers! I don't have much longer!
Holy trinket in a trash compactor! Barbecue sauce, if this is how we go, I just want you to know, I wouldn't have suffered through the rancid recession with anyone else.
No, Pineapple, don't give up!
It's you and me, man! We're like this! Maybe we'll be reunited on the other side.
Don't say that! Wait, our token! We could survive! Pineapple, you gotta throw your token at the fire alarm!
What? How would that help?
Just do it!
I'm so happy we cooked 500 gallons of ice cream. This will please everybody. I'm so sad we lost 500 gallons of ice cream. This will please nobody.
We survived? We survived! Yay!
Alright, I see a dodecahedral structure in this yoyolite.
Steady, steady! This research will define our academic careers for a lifetime!
What's happening? Wow! Wow! No! Not my diagrams!
I know you like to kick things when you are frustrated, tennis ball, but that was very unprofessional.
Sorry.
True scholars.
There's not much time left. Looks like my digging crew is slacking off. Hey guys, I actually have ice cream. Alright, beware of the holes.
The snowflake has landed, which means winter is here, which means time's up. Fries, your ice cream was expired and moldy.
That's just how my brand is.
But you fed 200 people, whereas the beautiful face devotion institute fed 0. So you win.
You know what I could go for right now? Some ice cream.
Don't you dare!